Model: 2015 Ford Transit 350L4 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H3 van body, white, panel van mileage, 275,101 MOT. The 30th of January 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: parking sensors, air con, electric windows, part service history, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, Cat N in 2021. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call